Hello guys, welcome back to Mindful Adverse. Today I'm back with another video and I'll be telling you some special words in English. Right? Imagine your friend is going for an interview or a job application that he has, right? Or maybe for any professional work, and you say break a leg, right? He would be thinking, why? How strange! Why is he saying break a leg? Because it doesn't actually mean breaking a leg. You are wishing him luck. Instead of saying all the best, wishing you luck, we can say break a leg. Now, where it did this originate from? It originated from the early days of theater, when people used to have dance performances, but instead of saying good luck, because people used to think it would bring bad luck, so they started saying the opposite. They started saying uh, break a leg, right? So it was like preconceived that saying this particular phrase would bring luck to that performance, right? Now we have some similar funny English expressions like hit the books. So hit the books is, does it mean throwing away the books or hitting them? No, it means to study more seriously, right? The next one is piece of cake. Does it involve any kind of party or like eating cake or cutting cake? No, no, no. It means to identify or to basically indicate those things which are easily done, right? Like the exam I gave yesterday was a piece of cake, right? Means something that is very easy for you. After this, you have spilled the beans. Is it any sort of kitchen accident? No, no, no. The beans have not been spilled. Instead, it means you revealed a secret, right? For example, come on, spill the beans, right? In this way, we can ask like, what happened? Spill the beans. Then some people say he gave exam yesterday, right? But instead of saying this, because this is incorrect, right? You have to say he attempted the exam yesterday, he took an exam yesterday, and he appeared for the exam yesterday. So that is how we can frame sentences. So that is quite obvious. Idioms make English fun and natural. They help you sound more fluent and confident as well, right? So this was a short video that I wanted to share with you all. Please subscribe my channel, share among your friends, and thank you for being with me till here in the video. Thank you very much. Thank you.